Welcome to Red Flag Mania's Cyberattack Part 1, where learners explore the serious legal consequences of cyber attacks. This journey is designed to show accounting information systems learners the high-stakes world of cyber threats and the law. Ashwood Hospital is a top-notch medical care facility serving over 500,000 patients annually. In an intro film, learners discover the hackers have flooded Ashwood's network with traffic, causing major hospital systems to shut down. As IT analyst Sam works to stop the attack, the question remains, how does this affect patients? An infographic outlines cyber threats and their effect on legal compliance, with quiz questions testing comprehension. Finally, it's time to investigate. Learners are tasked with determining how to restore systems, when to notify the public, and the legal implications of their decisions. Documents file onto the investigative desktop, including a breach log, call list protocols, memos, messages, and more. Questions on the right panel help learners decipher their decision as they investigate, and prompts at the bottom of each document help guide learning. After investigating, it's time to make a decision. Learners must choose the next step for the hospital's data, and if the public should be notified of the attack. Finally, an expert recommendation is shared, along with a film that outlines key considerations for real data breaches. A final exam is taken, and learners complete Cyberattack Part 1. Red Flag Mania offers exciting experiential learning for synchronous, asynchronous, or hybrid accounting courses. Wow your learners with an unforgettable classroom experience today.